Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the notifications at the Lufthansa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on this little bell button at the top of the page on the right and go on to discover the notification inbox, and then go on view settings. And here you will see you can get notifications on several different topics. So you can just click on the little white circle on whichever you want to receive emails, so like feedback, and you also have to agree to their privacy policy and cookie policy as well, so you can just agree to all. And yes, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.